फ्रेंड्स, फिजिक्स ग्रोथ चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। लास्ट पीरियड में हमने जो देखा था क्या, फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी। वी हैव सीन इन आवर लास्ट लेक्चर फंडामेंटल physical quantities. There are only 7 fundamental physical quantities with their units and symbols. But now see here, there are 2 supplementary. Supplement means what? हम जब एग्जाम दे रहे होते तब क्या होता है कि आंसर शीट के साथ हम, अगर आंसर शीट कंप्लीट हो गई तो उसके लिए कुछ आंसर लिखने का रह गया तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम, सप्लीमेंट चाहिए। वैसे ही फंडामेंटल फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज के लिए सप्लीमेंट्री फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज है और वो है 2। उसमें फर्स्ट है प्लेन एंगल, जिसका यूनिट प्लेन एंगल, उसका यूनिट है रेडियन और सिंबल है RAD। और सेकेंड वाला जो है वो है सॉलिड एंगल, उसका यूनिट स्टेरेडियन, दैट इज SR, दैट इज स्टेरेडियन। अब 7 fundamental physical quantities, their units and symbols we have seen our last part. Now in this part we have seen these 7 physical quantity which are known as a fundamental, and some quantities which are supplementary fundamental quantities. These are the plane angle, their unit is radian and symbol is RAD. Now second one, solid angle, its unit is steradian and your symbol is SR. After that we have seen derived quantity, derived physical quantities. हमने डिफाइन किया था फंडामेंटल फिजिकल क्वांटिटी, those physical quantity which does not depends on any other quantity. जैसे कि to measure the length we have need only scale. There is nothing, any physical quantity which is used to measure the length. Such quantities we have called as fundamental physical quantity. Now second one we have seen here derived physical quantity. Second type physical quantity का derived physical quantity. Second one derived physical quantity. Now what is mean by derive? We have to derive quantity, which means, now see here, suppose one quantity we have to see with explanation. We have to calculate area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Formula of area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. Length into breadth means what? This length is measured and another, this is also length, means this quantity area depends on 2 quantities, length into breadth, L into P, means after measuring length we have used unit meter, and after measuring breadth we have to take unit meter, that is unit of area is meter square, means in words we can write square meter. Similarly, if we calculate volume, the formula of volume is length into breadth into height, means there are 3 quantities need to complete the formula of volume. So such quantities are derived quantity. Now we have to explain from this the definition of derived physical quantity. Those physical quantity which explains 2 or more fundamental physical quantities, or which need two or more fundamental physical quantity for its measurement is called as derived physical quantity. We have to write the definition of derived quantity. Those physical quantities which depends two or more fundamental physical quantity for its measurement are called derived physical quantity. Now there are many derived physical quantity except length, mass, time, temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity. These are the fundamental quantities. And plane angle and solid angle, these are the supplementary fundamental physical quantity. Remaining all physical quantities which are included in the derived physical quantity. Out of more physical quantities, we have seen some few derived quantities with their symbols and units. Now we have to see here. First one, area. Unit is meter square. We have write square meter. That is symbol is meter square. Second one, volume. Unit is cubic meter. That is meter cube. Third one is density. Density is kilogram per cubic meter. That is kg per meter cube. Fourth one is work. That is Newton meter, means Nm. Fifth, energy. Now see here, this Newton meter is a MKS unit, but in SI system, this Newton meter, we have write that unit is joule, that is small j. Energy is also measured in joule, that is, here small j is the symbol. Means such a type of many quantities. Now again we have to see in power, electric potential, such a type of electric potential. Now see here, electric potential we have measured in volt, that is V. Now such a type of quantities are included in the derived physical quantity. Now after this, how this unit will be written, this fundamental and derived quantities formulae and their dimension, how we write, we have seen our next part. ओके बाय। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इसको लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए। बाय।